All About Rainforests by Christina Gardeski. Copyright Capstone Press. Table of Contents. What is a rainforest? In the trees, on the floor. Glossary, read more, internet sites, index. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a land of tall trees. It is a wet habitat. Lots of rain falls here. Treetops cross. They form a canopy. Little sun gets in. In the trees. Plants and animals live in the trees. Vines grow up the trees. Animals climb the vines. A sloth goes from tree to tree. Frogs hide in leaves. The treetops are loud. Parrots sing. Monkeys howl. On the floor. The forest floor is still. Roots stick out of the ground. A butterfly rests here. Big cats hunt. A crocodile cools off in the mud, its jaws wide open. Look up in the rainforest. Look down. Animals are at home from top to bottom. Glossary. Canopy. The treetops in a forest. Crocodile. A big, long reptile with thick skin and a long, thin mouth with sharp teeth. Forest floor. The ground in the rainforest. Habitat. The home of a plant or animal. Parrot. A colorful bird with a strong curved beak who can copy speech. Rainforest. A warm, wet forest with very tall evergreen trees. Root. The underground part of a plant or tree that gets water and food from the soil. Sloth. A slow-moving mammal that lives in trees in the rainforest. Vine. A woody climbing plant.